Today is my 30th birthday. I'm not in my 20s anymore. I'm just come into 30s. Can you imagine that? Except that I'm having my 30th birthday breakfast single fin in Uluwatu. This is the place where, thanks to this place, actually I fall in love in Bali. Also was raining, so I hope so my 30s will be more prosperous when it will be sunny. Anyways, I'm in single fin and it's definitely beach there is open already for breakfast, so happy days. More improvements every single day. Except that I hope so you enjoy my new shots from the drone. I just upgraded to Mini 3 Pro, so for me it's really excellent. However, I'm looking for your opinion. I hope so you enjoy. It's definitely much more crispier. Also, I would like to apologize as yesterday we didn't make any video. We just moved to the guest house for the while where we are looking for a new place to stay. Everything is still in the progress, however, I'm back today and well, the videos are gonna be regularly every single day as always, guys, so don't you worry, and thank you for everyone who asked me if everything is alright with us. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, the life is back to this place for the mornings. You can come and you can just stay on the top having breakfast, coffee and enjoy the views of the surfers and beautiful Uluwatu.
Call it fortune, just roll the dice, roll it twice. Call me silly, but really I know your mind. Don't be trying.
Also, definitely more surfers are back. However, down there you can get to the beach. I'm gonna show you different beach. I used to going down many times. It's already too hot at morning. In case you wanna go down to the beach, better come afternoon. At that morning, just come having a drink, coffee or something, and watching the surfers. But surfers are back as well.
If you're willing, then I assure this and more. Rest on my love, rest on my love. Seek it out, breathe it in, take it all, 'cause I can see the storm in you.
So guys, if you're already in Uluwatu after breakfast, full of energy, and you are not surfer and you wanna have easy access to the beach, it's worth to come here to the Melasti Beach in Uluwatu. It's actually like 20 minutes between driving by car. Very nice place. Now I'm on the top of the cliff, however you can drive the car down there and you can enjoy beautiful beach. It's also beautiful weather today, however keep it in mind, it's as always what? Very hot in Bali. Interesting facts, over there it used to be banyan tree, now it's called Jumala. There is the public access to the beach, parking area, huge parking area. There is the beach club, forgot the name. There is another one, they are actually two different. There is the construction of another one. However, except that, everywhere you can enjoy the beach. And the color of the water is beautiful. Overall, this is very beautiful public beach with about 5 or maybe 6 private owned beach clubs. So everybody can find something by yourself. You wanna chill by the beach, you can just enjoy the beautiful beach and enjoy just the sun and the sand, or if you want to spend time more fancy in the fancy beach club, also you can do it. And also you can find a hotel up there, so everything is in one place, guys. That's the beach situation itself. Also the weather has changed. Previously at morning when I was coming to Uluwatu was very gray sky, rain and everything, and now it's beautiful blue sky and sunny day, so I just really wonder what does it mean for my for my birthday. I hope it's only good things, guys. Anyway, that's how it looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? Also, everybody's saying Bali is known as the beaches here are not really beautiful, and I have to say there are better places in the world for the beaches. However, Uluwatu is the exception. Here you can really find beautiful beaches, including this one. It's called Melasti. Put in your itinerary, guys. Not many people coming here actually, but definitely this spot shouldn't be missed. It's really beautiful. This is the end of the beach, that's why there are rocks. However, this beach is going up to this cliff over there, and check this out, the colors of the water and the sand. It's really nice. However, the sand, well, it's not like a powder, it's a little bit grainy, so yeah, well, that's how it is.
Siempre un perdón, no te mentí. Ya no hay nada que me asombre. Malo porque siempre confío en ti y te conozco solo el nombre.
You can also find some local warungs here with having a coconut or something. However, these warungs are used usually for the local drivers who brings you to the beach. They're chilling here. However, you can also come here if you want, and it's nothing wrong actually. I wish more people coming to the warungs like this one over the fancy beach clubs. However, everything is for everyone, guys. There were more of them, however, they gone to make a space for the parking area. This beach can be very busy actually. It's just 11 o'clock at morning and it's already busy. And the other side is the Hanover Beach Club. Like I said, 5 or 6 over here. You can get lost here. Also regarding these beach clubs, what one is behind me, they're actually day clubs, family friendly, kids friendly. This is the place where you can chill, having a lunch, drinks and stuff like this in one place. Usually they have a swimming pool, so they are not like a clubs with the heavy music or loud music or something like that. They are just day clubs. This is something very popular to Bali. Other countries in Southeast Asia, they don't have too much like this. Ibiza have it in Europe, but Bali is very popular for this stuff. So and it's more and more each year. Also from my experience, and also whenever I'm traveling, I'm asking people, these places like this ones attract so many Asian people. That's an interesting fact. I feel personally much better on the first place where I had a breakfast on the like a small bar on the top of the cliff overlooking the beach and the surfers and everything. However, everybody have had different preferences. I believe many of you just looking for the peaceful beach, and many of you are actually enjoying the beach clubs so much.
Ella dice que está bien, que son solo amigos, o sea, nada que ver. Le tiene contraseña a nivel pro al cel. Sé que algo oculta, pero no sé qué es, yeah. Oiga, señorita, quisiera decirle solo una cosita, que mi corazón todavía palpita. Pa' que no lo dañes, que ahí es donde tú habitas, tú no estás de visita.
Alright, that's a little bit shorter video today again about my churchy birthday. I hope so you enjoy. I show you 2 spots in Uluwatu. I promise I'm gonna make a longer videos, alright? Loud motorbikes in the background somewhere. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care guys, bye bye. This is the name of the beach, in case if you're interested guys. It's called Pantai Melasti in Uluwatu.